Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. A natural area where a river or stream cascades over a high precipice and pours down is called a waterfall. You can see many waterfalls in Sri Lanka. Let's look some of them. Let's go to our video. Now let's see about Bambarakanda Falls. The highest waterfall in Sri Lanka is the Bambarakanda Waterfall. It is 263 meters high. Not only that, it is also 299 highest waterfall in the world. It is located in the Badulla Kalupahana area. To visit it, you have to walk through a charming pinus forest. Now let's move on. St. Clair Falls. Among the waterfalls in Sri Lanka, St. Clair Falls take 20th place in height. This beautiful fall, which is 80 meters high, is located in Talawakale. Now let's see about Ravana Falls. Ravana Falls or Bambarakanda Falls is one of the most beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka. It is 25 meters high and situated in the Allam. Let's see about Dunhinda Falls. Dunhinda Falls, a waterfall in Sri Lanka, is located in Badulla. It is 64 meters high. Dunhinda is named because of the fog at the base of the falls. Now let's move on Aberdeen Falls. Aberdeen Waterfall is 90 meters high. This waterfall is the most popular tourist attraction in Ginigathena. This waterfall is called Aberdeen because it is the capital of Scotland. Let's see about Devon Waterfall. Another beautiful fall in Sri Lanka, the Devon Waterfall is 97 meters high. This waterfall is named after British tea planter Mr. Devon. Let's see about Diyaluma Falls, which is the third highest waterfall in Sri Lanka, is 171 meters high. Located in Koslanda area, it adds a lot of beauty to the environment. Let's move on Laxapana Waterfall. Laxapana Waterfall is 126 meters high. This waterfall, which is 8th highest in Sri Lanka, is a beautiful waterfall located in the Hatton. Let's see about Bopath Falls. Bopath Falls, a very beautiful waterfall located in Ratnapura, is 30 meters high. The shape of this waterfall is similar to a bow leaf. So this waterfall has been able to attract tourists. Let's see about Hunnasgiriya Falls, one of the most beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka. Hunnasgiriya Falls is 125 feet high, located in Alkaduwa. This waterfall is very beautiful fall. Today I brought you some of the most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka. So I hope you were able to learn about some waterfalls in Sri Lanka from this video. Thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe and like my channel. Click the notification bell icon also. Okay, bye. See you in another video.